Hello everyone. We want to consider this topic in chemistry. What what are alkanoate? What do you understand by alkanoate? When we talk about alkanoate, we are talking about the reaction between alkanol, alkanol and alkanoic acid. The reaction between reaction the reaction between alkanol and alkanoic acid they form what we call alkanoate. Are you following? Alkanoate is the reaction between what? Alkanol and what? Alkanoic acid. So that process is what we call esterification. Esterification is the reaction between alkanol and alkanoic acid. So all the reaction is what we call what? Alkanoate. Are you following? Alkanoate have a general formula CN H2NO2. This is the general formula of alkanoate. Are you following? Now, having looked at the general formula, what is the functional group of alkanoate? The functional group general formula, the general formula, we have functional group. Functional group of this alkanoate is R C O O R. This is a functional group of what? Alkanoate. Anytime you see something written like this is what? Alkanoate. Why this one is what? The general formula. Now let me take you direct on how you can name a compound that is what? Alkanoate. Now we have said that the functional group of alkanoate is what? 0OO R are what? This R. Now, since this is a functional group, you always name, for instance, now if I replace this R with hydrogen atom, you get that? Then here I put one O, I put another O here. This is how it is written from what? A carboxylic group. When you see OO like this is what the carboxylic group. Then I now write this R there and now replace it by either sodium. Alright, I can replace with sodium. Now when you want to call alkanoate, you always start from here. You always start from this side. Okay, you start the naming from whatever it is attached in this side before you now finish with this side. And now here is only one carbon atom, and in our previous video I have told you that one carbon atom in organic compound is called met, either methane, methane, or all those kind of stuff, but it's called met. Okay, why two carbon atom is called et, three carbon atom is called prop, four carbon atom is called but. Go and search a video concerning that. So this one is one carbon atom, so it's called met. Okay, met. Now this compound is what? This element is what? Is sodium. So you call it sodium and attached to it, so this is called what? Sodium methanoate, because the name ending is what? Noate. Okay, so you call it sodium methanoate. So this is how sodium methanoate is called. Methanoate because carbon atom is one. Why the name here is sodium. So sodium, whatever, any compound that is coming like this is always you refer to that compound first before coming to the side. Is that understood? Now let's do another one. What if you have a compound like this? We have a compound like this. You have a compound like this. If you have a compound like this, what is the name of this compound? Now the name, I told you that you always count the name here. You first of all start with whatever is attached here, name it first before you now come to this side. Now coming to this side, this is the parent chain, this is the real chain. Now the parent chain are how many? One, two, three. Three carbon atom is called what? Probe. All right, probe. Now this carbon atom here, there are two. Okay, so this is ethyl. The reduction of one hydrogen atom in alkane family is called alkyl group. So this one is ethyl. So how do you call this one? You call it ethyl. You now come to this name. The name is what? Probe. The functional group is what? No, wait. So propanoate. Ethyl propanoate. That is how it's called. You call this one first, then you now come back on it. Ethyl, because there is only two carbon atoms. If it is three carbon atoms, you call it what? Propyl. If it is four, you call it what? Butyl. If it is five, you call it what? Pentyl. Is that understood? So having done that, you are going to solve this one for me and drop it on the comment section. Do this one for me. So what's the name of this one called? What's the name of this compound called? What is the name of this compound called? Please drop it on the comment section. And if you don't understand, this is part one of Alkanoate. We are going to part two of the Alkanoate. Please write the name of this compound on the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.